Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's look that we are doing is a little sort of monochrome thing here. We are doing a little magenta look out of the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. She looks a little bit like this. Here's what she looks like. So sit back, relax, buckle your seatbelts, enjoy. What is up, my dudes? The first thing I'm going to show you is how beautiful this Sarafina blush from Juvia's Place looks on my skin. Just gonna put a little bit of that on my cheekbones here. The first shade we're going to be dropping onto the eyes here is the shade Zobo as a transition shade. Now please forgive me if I mispronounce any of these shade names, and feel free to correct me in the comments down below so I can learn how to pronounce them correctly. Thanks, fam! Now for the crease shade, we're going to be going into the corner of the palette to that shade Fulani. And never forget to blend. Always, always blend. And when you think you're done blending, blend some more. Next is the shade Burkina. We're going to use that to add some dimension to the crease there and lighten it up a little bit towards the inside. And again, don't forget to blend. In this bit here, I am just adding some more of that shade Zobo underneath my eye as my, underneath the eye shade. And I'm just using that same brush that I used to apply Zobo in the first place as my transition shade. Now for this part, I forget to show you which shade I am using until after the fact, but the shade that I am using on my lid right here as my shimmer shade is the shade Calabar. This is where I show you that I'm using Calabar on my lid, because that's really helpful after the fact. But we're also going to go in with the shade Bori on my inner corner. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the LA Splash Golden Gatsby liner. On my waterline, I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Pure Gold. For mascara, I'll be using my little Lancome sample. Here's our eye look. Oh, she looking cute. For lips, we're going in with Hi, How Are Ya? By Jeffree Star Cosmetics.
Alright, here is the finished look. We've got a little chocolate cherry moment going on here. Now click that link on your screen if you'd like to see another monochrome look that I have done before. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. See you in the next one.